Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Patagonia red metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque, paired with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. 18-inch wheels. The tires are in excellent condition. A macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a natural grain brown walnut trim, panorama sunroof. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, got a power lift kit, set all season floor mats and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, 64 color ambient lighting, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLA has 6,909 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.